Good afternoon. At least it's good afternoon now. It's Friday afternoon for me. But I just finished with my front end with new control arms and a launch springs and new strut, boot cover for the dust. Got the rack and pinion on there, which it leaks, so I had to get new boots already on it because the boots had a hole in it. Put a new power steering pump on it also, so I should have went with manual, but I wanted to keep it a little easy to turn because the tires on these things are kind of thick on it. I'll probably be changing all that too eventually on one of my later projects once I get some more money. Now I just got to button it up, put the tire on, and spin it around. Right now I have it on skates, and then I'm going to start working on the rear springs. Already got the other side of this done too, so the whole front end is done hopefully. Once the thunderstorms push through this weekend, I might test drive just to make sure it all works good. And then my next project will be probably brakes. But that's all I'm doing right now, just trying to make it a little bit streetable here. So maybe I can go to the LMR event. That's where I got most of these parts from, is LMR. So thanks for watching, and subscribe please. And as I get more videos, I will put them out. But it requires me getting money first to buy the parts. So y'all have a nice evening.